Does your electric bike have MIK or a MIK label on the rear rack? If so, I have good news for you because it will be compatible with accessories like this. Nice little pet carrier, or this. This one even has handles. And even something like this. Check out this party trick. Fold down panniers. But don't worry, even if your rack isn't compatible, there are adapter plates. So what is MIK? What does it even stand for? What makes the MIK system unique? What accessories are compatible? What options are available? Well, that's what we're going to cover in this video. So first off, MIK or MIK, I've heard both used, stands for mounting is key. And over the last couple of years, more and more e-bike makers have been putting MIK racks on their electric bikes. And how do you know? Well, typically it is listed on the rack, but if you're not sure, check the product page on the e-bike that you're buying. But this is basically what it looks like. There's a notch up front, and you can see the bottom is cut out as well. And then in the rear, this is where it snaps into place. And this is what it looks like on the bottom of accessories that are MIK compatible. On one side, it's spring loaded. So in this case, we have the U-Free Solar Sparrow with a MIK rack, and they've even designed some of their own accessories. This is a nice basket with a liner. And so to attach it, put this end in first. That's going to slide right into here, push forward and then down. You'll hear it click. So one of the benefits is someone can't just remove this basket easily. They would need a MIK key. That's what this is. And this is one of the new style keys functioning like the original but smaller. There's also a longer version that slides open and adds extra security with an enhanced locking mechanism. All of these remove the same way by inserting the key right here. Simply push in and you can remove it, and that's it. Pretty simple to use. All you need to do is make sure you purchase a MIK accessory. We pride ourselves on having a wide variety of MIK compatible accessories, so let's walk through them. All of them available at shop.ebikeescape.com, and your purchase helps support the channel. So first off, we have the smallest bag that we offer. This is the Big Momma. Nice reflective accents, zipper pouch, bungee straps on top. You have a handle, and the top zips open. Every bag comes with a key. Push the button to release. It also has a mesh zipper when you open it up. And of course, your main area for storage. If you encounter any rain, we include a rain cover. Let's put this on the Solar Sparrow so you can see the size. And there you go, just about the length of the rear rack. This is going to be the best one if you just need to bring a few things with you. But if you need more storage, can you guess the name of our next size up? Well, it's the Big Daddy. So similar accents on both sides, a carrying handle, room for a water bottle in the rear, bungee straps. There's a secondary zipper to expand the storage slightly right here. Still a zippered mesh pocket and storage in the center. Now you might be thinking this is about the same size. Let's get it installed so I can show you. Now what's cool here is you have drop-down pannier bags, reflective accents. You secure this to the rack or the frame to keep it from bouncing around. So you get much more storage, and yes, they drop down on both sides. This one has a shoulder strap as well. And so you might be wondering, what if you need even more storage? Can you guess the name of the next one? This is the Big Poppa, the largest MIK bag that we sell. And as you'd expect, it is much larger. It has reflective accents, a handle, bungee strap, a spot for a water bottle, an expandable zipper for even more storage in the main compartment. There's just a ton of room in here. And then also drop-down panniers on each side. And so this is the one you'll want to buy if you're packing a lot of stuff, maybe enough for 2 people, but maybe you don't like the idea of all those pockets, or you want to carry a furry friend. Well, this is the McDerryman basket. This is the one I personally use all the time. Let's get it attached. Still tons of storage. You can pair it with our basket liner, or maybe our bungee net if you want to overstuff the basket, or maybe you have a small furry friend that comes on your e-bike adventures. This is our pet carrier. It cinches down. There's Velcro straps to help secure it. The top is mesh, and there's a zipper pocket here, or maybe your dog's a little bit bigger. There's a second zipper pocket, and so you can make the call of how your dog can safely be in this pet basket. Reflective accent at the rear. Remember to always be mindful of the max load capacity. This one at 15 kilograms or about 30 pounds. If you want a bigger basket, this is the Momo. This one's great for shopping with its handles. But yes, this one also has a pet cover available, perhaps for a slightly larger dog. It does sit a lot taller. Here's the size comparison between the two. And so there you have it, the best option for short grocery runs. And then finally, our universal MIK carrier plate. This is going to be compatible with a ton of electric bike racks. So if you like the quick release accessories, you can pick this up. Max capacity is 15 pounds. It comes with all the hardware to attach it. The mounting is the exact same. You're just attaching it to this plate as opposed to your rear rack. That's our entire MIK lineup, all available at shop.ebikeescape.com, along with some other high quality e-bike accessories. Your purchase supports us directly, so thank you. Buying an e-bike, check out our affiliate links down in the description. It costs you nothing and keeps the channel running. Thank you so much for your support. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section. Which MIK accessory is your favorite? Would you like to see any others? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.